Hello everyone, this is the duplicate key making machine. You can find it in Walmart. Today I'll take you through the process of how you can get a duplicate key made.
Welcome to MinuteKey, where copying your key is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Press start to begin. Please insert and hold your key below as shown with your key's teeth to the left.
Make sure your key teeth is to the left.
Key's teeth to the left. Insert and hold.
Your key is being identified. You may let go of your key. Please select your desired keys.
You can choose from options. It's $4. You don't want to browse.
Please select your method of payment. Please insert your credit or debit card as shown or select a coupon.
We are in Texas, Austin, so it's a $0.33 tax.
Would you like to take advantage of this special offer? Would you like a receipt sent to you via email or text?
It shows over here that it's duplicating. This is the machine where the key is being generated, keys being made. Pretty fancy little kiosk. There you go. It's all done.
Process complete. Please take both your original and new keys.
This is the new key and it's all done. It took us less than a
Thank
minute.
you for choosing MinuteKey.